Hi, my name is Serge and this is LiveAlgarve Realty, and today I present you with the two brand new under construction blocks of apartments. We're located in the heart of Lagos, not far away from Port de Mos and the center of Lagos itself. So here we have two blocks. One will be finished this year and one next year. So let's have a look-see. These apartments are constructed by the very prestigious builder here in Lagos. We worked with this builder on several occasions and so far he never disappointed. The clients are very happy, the construction quality is amazing. As you can see, this apartment lacks for nothing. State-of-the-art appliances, very expensive ceramics and finishing in the apartment makes it to be a gem of Lagos. So thank you for taking this tour with us. Please subscribe to our channel and like this video and go to our website and inquire now. There are still few apartments left for sale, so don't be late. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.